heard you want to make money online as a beginner. Here are some ways. Number 5, affiliate marketing. I know you hear a lot of people talk about affiliate marketing, but it is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You could do Amazon influencers, you could do Amazon associates, you could do TikTok shop. Whichever program you use, you can promote on TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, make a blog, you can show your face, you can do a faceless, pick a niche and start making videos. It's that simple. But with your videos, you want to create a story. So cleaning videos, a lot of people still love, I love watching cleaning videos. So every product that you use, you link them back to either your Amazon storefront or it might be a TikTok product. In those videos, you have to solve a problem. You have to make the person's life easier. That is what's going to get them to buy the product. If they see, oh, I can clean my bathroom in 10 minutes with this product, oh, let me get it, right? Here's a simple thing. Problem, solution, you'll make money. Number 4, print on demand. So I know people are not going to want to hear this, but whether you like him or not, Trump is trending right now. So if you decide to make a print on demand product about Trump, about his campaign, about anything revolving this election, you are going to make some money. With print on demand, you can use Shopify, you can use Etsy. You just have to find a supplier that does print on demand. There are so many. To name a few, you have Teespring, you have Printify, you have Printful, and some of them, do your research. You can actually create a TikTok shop and connect the print on demand to TikTok. Now make sure you do your research and see which print on demand is going to fulfill the orders within 3 days, which is part of TikTok shop's policy. Do your research and you can make some money. Whatever is trending, it's 11/11, make a wish. Whatever is trending at the time, make a t-shirt, make a mug, and sell it. The good thing about TikTok shop is you can also have affiliates. And one way to get affiliates is to send them free products. Please send them free products. That is going to get your shop more eyeballs and more people are going to be creating content about your product. And maybe one of those videos will go viral and you will make money. Now, those are side hustles that can turn into full-time income, but now I'm going to show you like some different career paths. Number 3, you can help people with student loan forgiveness. Yes, you can get paid by helping people get their student loans forgiven. If you want information on that, you do have to take a course because you do have to learn how to do it. Reach out to me on IG or send me an email and I will give you her information and you can attend the free webinar. So that way you can get more information on her class and when she's doing the next cohort, because she only does the class like every couple of weeks because she takes like a small group of people and then they learn and then she takes another small group. So yeah, if you want more information on that, just let me know in the comments or send me a message or email. Number 2, you can become a mortgage loan officer. Now, I did not become an MLO the traditional route. I did not have to take a test. I do not have to continue to take CE classes like I have to do with my life insurance license. I went through an apprenticeship program. The good thing about that program is I'm able to work with a senior mortgage loan officer and I'm able to help people in all 50 states. So if you are looking for a job, if you're looking for a career, look into becoming a mortgage loan officer, because if you Google what the average mortgage loan officer makes, it's in between $50,000 on up to $200,000. Think about it. They're only licensed in one state and I'm licensed in all 50 states. So if you want more information on that, click the link in my bio, click work with me, and I'll send you more information. And number one is digital products. And I'm not even talking about products that you create. I'm talking about done for you products. Done for you products that are already made, you buy and resell. You have to work smarter and not harder. Digital products have a low startup cost and you can make 100% every single time. And yes, you can go out and create your own ebook, but do you actually have the time to do it? Do you have time to research what's trending? Do you have time to research what people actually want to learn? If you don't have the time to do all that, Done for You is perfect for you. So if you want more information on the number 1 way to make money online, put ready in the comments. And if this was helpful, follow for more.